So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can draw different type of lines in Microsoft Word very easily. So in this video, I will discuss line draw hack. So how you can draw lines in MS Word. So if you want to, for example, if I press hyphen 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 3 times, press hyphen 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 and then press enter, and you can see the single line hyphen and you can see the single line. Next line that you can draw is press equal 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 3 times and then press enter, and then you can see the double line. So press equal 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 and press enter, you can see the double line. Similarly, press star 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 and then enter, and you can see the dotted line. So star star star, press enter, you can see the dotted line. And similarly, you can type the tilde symbol 3 times and press enter, you can see the zigzag line. Similarly, 3 times tilde symbol and press enter, you can see the zigzag line. And now press hash 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 and press enter, you can see the triple line. So press hash 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 and then enter, you can see the triple line. So this way you can draw multiple lines in MS Word.